Alright, so 2008 RAV4, I was looking at how to replace or how to change the back tail lens, and I see footage of you've got to take everything out to get the side panel out to get to the bolts here. I needed to get to the wiring, and I found that I don't think I'd go through all that effort of pulling everything out. If I really wanted to get this tail lens out, I can reach here quite easily. Onto there, so that's on the nut there now, 10mm nut, and another one up here. That's on the 10mm nut, and on the inside, I can also reach with the socket onto that 10mm there as well. Okay. I can undo all the harness and take the light out. So why would I bother with going through all that effort? I think I would try that first if I needed to replace the tail lens. Alright, all I did to pull this side panel here forward enough to get access to those three 10mm nuts was I removed this screw here, 10mm bolt there, screw there, this piece here. Took this cover off, but I didn't have to. Then I just pulled it all away, took the rubber off here, took the rubber off there, just unclipped is what I need. All I needed here for this section only, and then I was able to access those 10mm nuts. And yeah, if I ever had to replace that lens, that's exactly what I'd be doing.